Firstly, I would like to thank each and every one of you for taking out your precious time and coming here. This evening is truly, truly special for us. As Dada rightly mentioned, what started as a friendship 10 years ago has nurtured into this beautiful dream. A dream that was seen by Gaurav Jajoria from Jai Balaji Group and Nishant Maheshwari from Sportis. So two friends came together 10 years back and introduced the Jai Balaji Group Kolkata Marathon. Last year was one milestone for us where we got the event to Red Road Maidan. This year we envision to celebrate another milestone with an introduction of a full marathon. Kolkata is going to be the largest full marathon in the country. So I thank all the partners, all the friends, family, all supporters, all patrons who have always stood by us like a rock.
Because on Nishan's and Gaurav's idea, sport actually means is that the basic slogan is that we want our city, our country to be fit. We started with the family, of course. So our family has two types of people. Somebody is fit like me and somebody fit like Gaurav. So he was always 15 years old, so we were having a discussion in the family drawing room. So he took it up seriously, he started with it, and from there this passion for running started. So we took up as a mission in the company and the group that we should promote in wherever we are operating. You see, our company is based out of Kolkata, we are based out of Kolkata. We also do one in Durgapur where we have a main plant. So it is the only one of Durgapur. So we try to promote sports activities wherever possible so that people get fit. It is not only a way of entertaining the youngsters and inspire them, but also to get the people fit. That is the main thing. One more thing I'd like to add. So this national mission also is that we want a fit India. So somewhere this program fits into this Fit India program. If we expect the government to do everything and और अपने सोचेंगे कि corporates कुछ नहीं करें, individuals कुछ नहीं करें, उससे नहीं होगा. Fitness is something which the corporates also have to contribute hugely, और individuals को तो conduct करनी चाहिए.
Experience to run as well. So I have an announcement to make. If my team can pass it, right? Ghuma ke.
Okay, Ghumake, so please, you will know it best. Sammy came here, will know the Ghumake reference the best in the audience. So lovely.
I think this is a proud moment for the entire running community of Kolkata. It's a proud moment for me, and it's a proud moment for also for Jai Balaji Group. Our vision was always to have our event on the global marathon running calendar, and I'm very happy to announce that JBG Kolkata Marathon is now a World Athletics bronze level event.
That's actually a major milestone, ladies and gentlemen. IAAF bronze event in Kolkata. Fabulous. Absolutely fabulous.
I'm getting goosebumps.
I'm told you have been a part of many marathons and you've been following the sport, a lot of running events. Nishant tells me you supported them. What does this event mean to you?
Well, good evening, dignitaries. It's indeed a matter of honor for me here today for the launch of the 11th edition of JBG Kolkata Marathon. And what better place than Kolkata, which is always known for perseverance, determination, and celebration of human spirit. Marathon, as Mr. Gaurav Majumdar just said, yes, it has been close to not only my heart, it has been close to the heart of most of the Indian Army personnel. Because marathon is competing against oneself. It's not about crossing the finishing line. I think it is taking the first step and then after running kilometer after kilometer after kilometer. And I think that calls a lot of dedication, determination. I think being present at 5:30 in the morning at Red Road is just the culmination of the entire effort that one has seen around the year, be your diet, be your physical fitness, strength, and so on. Yes, I have been closely associated with the marathon. Have been the organizers of many such events. In fact, today I was speaking to Mr. Gaurav. Today was the Goa Ultra. I've been following that. end of this month we have got the Spiti Marathon, which is again organized by the army. Yes, so that has been border runs. Again, they organize. The army plays a major role. Army has always been in the forefront of promoting physical fitness, and we are proud to host it in Maidan area, the preserved lands of Kolkata. Mind you, it takes a lot of effort from the Indian Army. My colleague is here, Colonel Rawat, who is a Colonel Land, to ensure that the pristine Maidan remains pristine. And to that effort, I think I salute our men in uniform. They also represent that day. So yes, Cholo Dodoi, let's start on your march, set and go. Thank you.
It's like a blink of eye that you have to make the decision. So it's in our reflexes to make the decision at the right time and rightly for the patient. So we will be all prepared to take care of all the runners. As you said, thousands of runners of this scale on this stage. So it's nothing less than an army that will be needed. That's why it's the Kolkata Marathon Medical Army. So they will be trained to take care of all medical emergencies which can be there, including the basic life support and the cardiopulmonary resuscitation, that is the CPR.
Fantastic. Fantastic. We would want all of you there, inspiring each one of us on that day, on the 29th of November. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Thank you, each one of you.
Gracias. on the 11th Jai Balaji Group Kolkata Marathon 2026। एक एथलीट होने के नाते मेरा मानना है हर बड़ी फिनिश एक छोटे से फर्स्ट स्टेप से शुरू होती है। और अगर इस बार आप 5K दौड़ रहे हो या कोई पर्सनल बेस्ट चेस कर रहे हो या इस साल पहली बार फुल मैराथन का चैलेंज ले रहे हो, ये रेस आपके लिए है, ये आपके शहर का इवेंट है, आपका इवेंट है, सब साथ मिलकर दौड़ लेंगे। तो रजिस्टर कीजिए, ट्रेनिंग शुरू कीजिए और मिलते हैं 29 नवंबर रेड रोड कोलकाता में।